All right, so today we finally gonna install the LED lights. Got off eBay. They literally came in a package just like this. They already started. This is the main receiver box. I got the cords going into the directions on where they're at. Got this gonna be set up back here. The other one gonna be set up down here. I took off these panels, the interior panels, pop this back. So I'm going to run the wire through here so it can come out down here, so it kind of be as clean, more clean. So I'm on the driver's side of the car now. Just pop this off, and I'm tucking the unnecessary wire just into here, okay, so I can get the length I need for the pedal. It's gonna go under here. It's gonna go under here just like this. All right, so I just stuck it right underneath where you see my check engine light, right about here, so the full ground will be lit up, okay? I had it way under here, but you couldn't see it. The lights wasn't at the angle it needed to be to come out. And that's it. It had 3M tape on the back. Took the red stripe off it, stuck it there, and it's perfect. All right, you gotta be careful when you're taking off the red backing, because if you pull it too hard, you're gonna take off the backing of the tape, okay? So once you pull it back with your fingernails, just pull it back slow, because you don't want to pull off the sticky tape. All right, that's it. So keep in mind, when you sticking it on, don't press directly on the LEDs. Press on the side of the body of the light. All right, it's gonna be smooth. I try to keep it out of the way so when there's guests and stuff, you can't necessarily kick it off, okay? And this is good.